this segment of this video, we will see Microsoft Bookings feature. For that, to access booking, first you need to log in Microsoft365.com, and there you can see app launcher like other Microsoft apps. You will click on app launcher and there you can see bookings. Click on bookings, it will take you on the admin page of bookings. You can see here. So from here you can create your booking. For example, I already created, but if you want to create, you will click on create. If you want to create from scratch, you will select this option. If you want to create for any existing booking as a template, you can just select one, and after that you can just tick like you want services, staff, and setting whatever you created previously. That is what you can use here. So based like if you created a appointment system, and you can save it as a template which you can use to create multiple appointment system in your organization. If you create from scratch, in that case you need to give the name and after that logo and everything. So let's see how we can do it. So I will do demo booking system for Sandeep. So I'm just going to create a demo booking system for Sandeep. I will add my logo here. So I will go work Sandeep, suitable logo. I will select logo. So this is how you can add your logo, add logo, and after that business type, you can select based on your industry. My is IT support, so I will just select it, and then you can add your staff. For example, if you have multiple staff, you can add from here. I'm going to add Anup, and I'm also going to add Alok. So this is how I can do next. And after that, if your uh, meetings are going to be online, in that case you can use it, and you can also change that uh, Monday, Tuesday. You can select the days in which you are going to take bookings. For example, I don't want to take on Monday. I will click and unselect on Tuesday. And if I want just Monday, Wednesday, not on Thursday, then Friday. So this is how I can select. After that, I can select the timing. And if your meeting is physical, then you can uncheck it. Otherwise, you can check it. After that, you can click on update service. Then here, set up services. So for example, IT support, this is by default. If you want to add more, so I think we can't add from here, but we can add from the admin page. So you will do next, then self-service. So choose who can book appointment. Self-service are people in my organization or anyone. So we can have anyone. So anyone like customer can also book appointment, and then you can click on create. So once you will click on create, it will create your booking page. So let's see how it will look like. It will take few seconds, and after that you can have access. So you can see like this is how we have. So let me just open a new tab. So you can see this is how it will look like. You can see all the dates we have here, like it's loading, then customer information, note, time, and the service we have. So we'll just close it, and you can see this is the page, that is the admin page from where you can manage everything. For example, you can see I have two appointment page, so that is what you can see here. Apart from that, you can see we have calendars. I will just click it. Then we have calendar. So in calendar, you can see when you have appointments like in a calendar view. And after that, we have a booking page. You will click and you will have the complete detail of this particular booking page. Like, for example, here, disable direct search. These kind of things you can do here. Then we have customers. All the customers you can see who booked appointment with you. So you will have customer detail here. Then we will have staff. All the staff you added here. You can see. You can add, remove from here as well. For example, if I want to remove Alok, I will remove from here. If I want to remove Anup, I can remove from here. You can also modify your services. For example, we have two services. If I want to add more services, I will go here and, for example, installation plan service, and then you can save changes. Like you can add location or online. So this is how you can do buffer time. Like after each and every appointment, you want to have some buffer time. It means that customer can book appointment. After that, you want to take some rest. Either your meeting can go little bit longer, so you can have the buffer time, and that is what you can on from here. Then you can have the note and then save changes. So you can see we have two services. So I will go on booking page, refresh it. So now we can see two services. Let me IT installation plan. So that is not online. Let me add it and make it online and say. So let me refresh. IT support. Oh, I created in a different page. I should create here. So here we just have one service. I will add more. So as I will add more, I can see more here. For example, installation plan. Then I will just, as I explained everything, that is how we have here. Then I will save and go on the booking page, refresh, and you can see we have two. So this is how you can add your all services. After that, I already explained how you can add a staff business information. For example, you can change logo, the business hours. If you want to modify the business hour, like days and time, everything you can modify from here. For example, you don't want on Wednesday, you will delete and then you will save it. So save, go on the booking page, refresh, and you can see Wednesday. So let me refresh. So you can see the date we are going to book, for example, as I said. So you can't book on Wednesday. Let me select this. So you can't book on. So it is also based on your service. For example, if you have some other book appointment system for other service and some other appointment system for your different service, that is what you can see here. For IT support, you will go, you can't book on Tuesday, you can't book on Thursday. But if you go on installation plan, you can see only you can't book on Wednesday. And that is how I configured in admin section. So that is what you can see under the booking. For booking, customer will come here and see, they will select the plan, and after that they will select the time, and then we have 30 minutes. So this is how you can see the time blocks. After that they will add the information, whatever information they are going to add. For example, I will add my Gmail ID and then I will click on book. So once I will add, you can see one more appointment on Friday 11. So I will go on calendar and see. So today is 10th. We should have a next day. So you can see this is what we have here. In customer, we can see one appointment here. And also I should get email for that particular appointment. So if I will go here and see, so I already got this email for appointment. I will click on as if I want to attend. So that is what you can see. The complete booking system. This is how it works. The complete configuration you can do from here, and then you can book from this booking page. You can also reschedule, cancel this booking, or you can book new appointment from this page only. And after that, if you go here, same kind of features you will get here. If you want to cancel or reschedule, that is what you can see in your email. Join the meeting, booking. So that is what you can see. And then in in the admin section, you can see we have some other features like uh, add time up, month, print, export to Excel. That is what you can do from here as well. You can see all your services also here. You can also see the details. You can see your staff detail. So it's a complete booking system. Like if you are going to use some other application, you will not find this kind of rich features in appointment system. Also, if you want to embed this booking system on any other uh, on your web page, what you will do is you will go here on booking page, and there you can see we have embed URL. You can also email to someone. You can copy this URL and share with someone. So all these features are also available. You can click on embed, and this is the code which you can use on your public website. Customer will come and click on that particular link and get the booking page and book appointment with you. So this is how you can create your own appointment system for your business in your intranet using Microsoft 365.